This video will focus on dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Even though children have not formally learnt their division facts, they use the inverse rule and their knowledge of multiplication facts to derive these. For example, if a child knows 3 times 7 is equal to 21, they also know that 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. The strategy explained in this video is the strategy we expect children to use in Year 3. Please do not teach your child long division or bus shelter method unless I have discussed this with you. Our first example is 96 divided by 3. First, we must partition the two-digit number 96 into two parts. 96 partitions into 90 and 6. Then we must divide each of those parts by the one-digit number. 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. Because if I know 3 times 3 is equal to 9, I know that 30 times 3 is equal to 90, and 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. Next, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Because if I know 3 times 2 equals 6, then I know that 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Finally, we add these two answers together. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Therefore, 96 divided by 3 is equal to 32. We can represent this with deans. Here I have 96 in deans, separated into 9 tens and 6 ones. I need to share these deans between the three groups. First, I will share the tens into three groups of 30. Next, I will share the ones into three groups of 2. In each group, I now have 32. Therefore, 96 divided by 3 is equal to 32. Our next example is 88 divided by 4. First, we must partition 88 into tens and ones. 88 partitions into 80 and 8. Next, we must divide each of these parts by 4. 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Because if I know 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, then I know that 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Finally, we must add these two parts together. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Therefore, 88 divided by 4 is equal to 22. The final example is a little more challenging. 104 divided by 4. First, I must partition 104. It partitions into 100 and 4. There are 0 tens in the tens place, so I don't have to partition these. Next, I must do 100 divided by 4. 4 times 25 equals 100 is one of our known facts, so I know that 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Next, I must do 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. Finally, I add these two answers together. 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Therefore, 104 divided by 4 is equal to 26.